Hello viewers, today we are going to look at how we can use indices in order to simplify the questions given. So we are going to look at a number of questions and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on TikTok and Facebook. Online classes, we are there for you. Easy peasy. Question 1, 5a to the power 6. We multiply by 2a to the power 4. When we use the laws of indices, what we are going to do here is this. Whenever you have the same basis, all right, whenever you're having the same basis, you add the powers. You multiply the bases, then you add the powers. For example, if you have a, all right, to the power n multiplied by a to the power m, this is just equal to a to the power n plus m. That is what we mean by using the laws of what? Of indices. Are we there? So let's do this one. So 5 times 2, we get 10. Now following this one, we're going to get a, then we say 6 plus 4. So it'll give us 10 a to the power, guess it, 10. That one is done. 2. We have x to the power 4 and to the power 5. So if you have, let's say, a to the power n, then to the power m, this is just the same as a to the power n multiplied by what? M. Clear? So this is just the same as x to the power 4 multiplied by what? 5, which will be x to the power 20. We are following each other, and I hope so. Next, question 3. We are having 3x everything to the power 3. Now, as long as there's no multiplication here, as long as there's no subtraction or addition sign, these two, they are together. So these 3 outside there, it is powering everything inside. That means we are having 3 to the power 3 and x to the power 3. This is what this means. So what is 3 to the power 3? This means 3 times what? 3 times what? 3. And not 3 times 3. I hear most of you make mistakes. 3 to the power 3 is not equal to 3 times 3. No. But 3 times 3 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3. Get the concept right? So don't confuse those two. So what we have again multiplied by what? We have x to the power 3. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Then we have x to the power 3. Question 4. It says a to the power x plus 1 over a to the power x minus 1. This one is coming from the division law of indices, which says if you are dividing two bases or two numbers with the same basis, let's say m there and n, this is the same as a, you subtract the powers. It's the opposite with the multiplication. With multiplication we add the powers, but with division we subtract the powers. So getting back to our question, so we have a is common, so it will be a, and we have x plus 1 minus x minus 1. This is 1, so you have to introduce brackets. This is where you can make a mistake, so careful there. So this is a x plus 1, then expand, negative x, expand, positive what? 1. Now you can say you're having positive x and negative x. So those two, they cancel each other. You remain 1 plus 1 to give you x what? X squared. We still have more to do. Let's go. Question 5. we have 2 multiplied by 2 squared. Let us evaluate this. So remember, same bases, we add the power. So it will be 2. This is remember when there's nothing, just like there's 1 there. That would be 1 plus what? 2. Which would be 2 to the power 3. Which would be 2 times 2 times 2. Which will give us what? 8. Are we there, ladies and gentlemen? I hope we are there. Alright, so next, question 6. We have 6a to the power a plus 2 multiplied by 6a to the power 2 minus a. Let us evaluate this. Sorry, let me remove this and that. Just keep it that way. So 6 to the power a plus 2 and 6 and that. Okay. So how do we do this? Same bases, we get the common base, then we add the powers as long as you are multiplying them. To be a plus 2 plus 2 minus a. 6a plus 2. Positive times positive to be plus 2. Positive times negative to be minus a. This will be 6. Can you see that a and the a will cancel because they have opposite signs? So it means what? 6 to the power 4. If you want, you can evaluate 6 to the power 4. There is no problem. Okay. 7. We have p multiplied by p to the power 3, then divided by what? P to the power 4. So first of all, these are same powers. So, and we are multiplying them, we add the powers. So say this 1 plus 4 divided by what? P to the power 4. So what we get here? We get p to the power 5. Then we say divided by p to the power 4. Now we are dividing same powers, same bases. What we do? We subtract the powers. So we have p to the power 5 minus 4. Just gave us p. Question 8. We have 2 to the power negative x multiplied by 2 to the power x minus 2 to the power times 4. Now, we have the smallest base here, which is 2. We can make 4 as a base of 2, right? We know that 2 to the power 2 is 4. So we can say this is the same as 2 to the power negative x multiplied by 2 to the power x minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Now we have the same bases. We are going to add the powers because the bases are the same. So just say 2, we have negative x, we say plus x minus 2 plus that power there 2, which will give us what? 2, this and this gone, that and that gone. So 2 to the power 0. Number to the power 0 is 1 except 0 itself. Aonaka 9. I have x squared, y to the power 3, and everything squared. How can we do this? I want to take your time. We've done this one before. We are just squaring everything inside there. So this is the same as x squared, then again squared multiplied by y to the power 3 again is squared. But we did something like this where, like, when you have a power inside and a power outside, that means those two powers are just multiplying each other. So this is just 2 times 2, so we get x to the power 4, then 3 times 2, 6, so y to the power 6, 10. Let's get something nice here. So for 10, I have this one for you. 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3 to the power x, and everything to the power 2. So because there's a multiplication sign, don't have to worry, just square everything that is inside. So we have 2x plus 1, then we square, then saying multiply by 3x, then we do what? We square. So this power and that power, they are multiplying each other. So we are going to have 2. What is 2 times x? 2x. What is 2 times 1? Plus 2. Multiplied by, this becomes x times 2. We get 3 times 2x. That's all. You are done. So you've seen 10. Yeah. Otherwise, that is a situation at hand. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this. We've done 10 questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, our online classes, they're very much on, and I'll see you.